This is the first tutorial in this series of tutorials on Unix shell programming. There are quite a lot of cool things I can share with you guys, but I can be of help only if you practice along the course. So get a Unix or Linux distribution if you don't have one already. You can download Ubuntu or Fedora for free from the internet and install the operating system in parallel to the operating system that you're currently using. In case you haven't heard of these systems before, you can Google them and know more. I initially thought about recording a tutorial on installing Ubuntu, but I checked and found a really helpful tutorial on YouTube. I use Ubuntu because it's fun to use, it's quick, it supports wireless networking, comes with a software center from where you can select and install applications for free. But I would not force you to work with just Ubuntu. In fact, I would recommend you to explore as many distributions as possible. Secondly, you don't need to have any prior programming knowledge to follow the tutorials in this series. I'll try to make it really simple for you guys to understand, and we'll start at the beginner level and we'll scale up to advanced level shell scripting near the end of the course. I would also appreciate if you provide me your feedback on what you think about the series, and if you have any suggestions for me. And we have a lot of ground to cover, so let's get started.